Hi guys, this is your Mooregirl coming back with you and welcome back to my channel. Today's project is going to be my vintage lamp. I'm replacing the old lamp from my closet. Remember the closet tour? To a lighter, brighter one with the fringes on it. So guys, let's get started with this project and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. And these are supplies I will be using for this project. I got this planter here from Dollar Tree, along with this fairy lights I got from Michael's. This sphere I got from Goodwill. I'm using the top of a mason jar. And I have these little beads here along with my crystal. I have these streamers here that I got from Hobby Lobby, along with these glass crystal balls I hauled from Hobby Lobby for Christmas. I have some spray paint and I have my glitter pack that I bought again from Michael's. All right, guys, let's get started with this project. The first thing I did was take this outside and you see everything is black. I want to spray it white. I bought this paint from Walmart. It's called Color Play. So this is new for me. It was only 96 cents. So I figured, let me just try it out. So let me see how this works and see, the quality of this paint. But as I'm spraying it, look at it. It looks kind of watered down. It's not even strong. It's barely even white paint, even on the paper. So I decided to go with my good old-fashioned Rust-Oleum paint. And as you can see here, this is so much better. I got the white gloss, and it is much stronger. As you can see, the quality of the paint is so much different from the other one. I'm going to do is spray this top of this mason jar. This mason jar is going to be sprayed white because as I put it underneath the chandelier, I don't want you to look up into light. This is also going to hold where I'm going to put the light at. And this is, I'm using like an iridescent glitter. This is optional. I just decided to do this just in case, just for a little like sparkle too. Guys, now that everything is glittered, let's get this together. All right, I'm using my new glue gun, guys. I have a new glue gun I got from Amazon. This is awesome. I like how it is. It has a really long glue stick to it. You see the stick and it has nice handle. It has an on and off switch. Also, guys, it really does not drip. I was looking at the reviews. It has a lot of 5-star reviews and they said it doesn't drip, and it actually doesn't. So I'm going to link this below if you want to check this out. I think it was about $15. So I'm going to link it below. And guys, maybe you're thinking about purchasing this one. You'll love it. Okay, the next thing is to add the fringes. So I'm adding fringes to the bottom of this lid here, which is a mason jar lid. So I'm just going to work from the bottom first. And again, with this glue gun, you have to be extremely careful. It is extremely, extremely hot.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but I break like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano.
Okay, guys, so look at that. It's 2 tiers. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the bottom tier. So I'm going to flip it over and add the mason lid where I already put the fringes on it. Look at that. Very cute, very classic, very vintage. And I'm going to just use the hot glue gun again. I'm not going to use E6000 for this project, just a glue gun. This glue is pretty strong, so I'm sticking with that. And from there, as you can see, I'm just kind of measuring it just to make sure it's going to be centered correctly. And that's it, guys.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano.
Okay, guys, then the 3 tiers are done. Now it's time for the light. So I'm putting the spheres, or someone may call it an orb, and I'm going to put the lights inside. So again, I got these fairy lights. I had them, I think, last year, and I believe I got them from Michael's around Christmas time. So I already have the batteries in there, and this is also remote control. So I'm not worried about turning them on and off or taking the chandelier down because it has a remote for this. Again, this is the same thing. I took everything from the old light fixture in the closet to replace it with the new light fixture. So it was the same lights that I already had. So, and it has 8 different features that light shows. So I would basically using just the solid lights and just turn them on and off from the remote control. So here I'm just putting the light inside of the orb and making sure it looks good, and the battery is at the bottom because that is again why I did the mason lid, is so you won't see the battery if you walk underneath it. Okay, it looks really, really pretty, guys. Look how glowy that is. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, there's a remote control for it, and it tells you how you can turn it on and how it's the off button there, and you can see it's the 8 light shows. It also has a plus and minus so it can dim as well. So I'm going to place it in the chandelier just to make sure it is centered and it's flat and it centers exactly. And as you can see how it glows with the white fringes, it's really pretty, guys. It is going to make a beautiful, you know, addition to my closet. All right, last thing is to glue. I'm going to glue the bottom of the orb, and then I'm also going to glue the chandelier.
Never look back, now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano.
Now the next thing is just to add some of the crystal pieces to it for the last finishing touches. I got this crystal piece again, I think from Hobby Lobby a couple Christmases ago, and also with those round crystal balls. Also, they was crystal ornaments. So also this was on a vintage lamp in the closet. So only thing I did was just take it off from one to another. So that's it.
You breathe, but I can't see. If you're right here next to me, something's wrong. Wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, next week we're back with YouTube Tuesday. So if you have any questions or anything that you want me to answer, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll answer them next week on YouTube Tuesday. All right guys, thanks for watching. It's your Mooregirl.